Career guidance is really an opportunity not to be missed. Most people simply get into the world of work and have jobs, but jobs don't give you the satisfaction of a self-chosen career. Early exposure to career guidance services can help to enlighten you and make you aware of the numerous possibilities that you might not have considered, especially in the artisan world of work. Take advantage of the career guidance services offered to you, which may prevent you from making costly mistakes that may affect your future economic prospect and social lifestyle. I know that career guidance is part of life orientation and hope that in your school, the school governing body, the school management team, and the principal and the staff take this subject very seriously because it is important. Life orientation teachers are better positioned to equip our learners with information on artisanship. I appeal to all our life orientation teachers in the country to study this video carefully and share this information with our young learners. Young people should always keep in mind why they are developing their minds and acquiring skills so that their learning has a sense of purpose. You must try and think of your future and visualize where you see yourself so that you can set goals for yourselves and push yourself to achieve your dreams. To this effect, and as young people, you may have lingering questions whether a chosen career may fulfill your ambitions. Considering the present South African demand for skills that grow the economy, I advise you to strongly consider career choices in trades and occupations. It has never been spelled out more clearly that it's possible to be an engineer from a starting point of being an artisan. Yes, from an artisan to a technician and indeed an engineer. The advantage of this route is that you may start earning an income at an early stage in your career. The Sector Education and Training Authorities or SETAs play a very important role in supporting skills development and have a big focus on learning in the workplace. The international spotlight is focused on careers in the manufacturing and engineering sectors, and these offer a wide range of exciting opportunities to motivated young people who would like to embark on a technical career. The manufacturing and engineering sector in South Africa plays a key role in the national economy, and trained production workers such as artisans, technicians and engineers are always in high demand. I urge parents to stay involved and to participate in the process of assisting and supporting their children to make the right decisions about their careers. Assist in getting rid of the past stereotypes regarding certain skills, especially in trades and occupations. Remember, they need to see that you show an interest in what they are doing and that you support them. It is always good for them to develop their skills and work towards their own personal goals. Many community leaders like teachers, youth leaders, librarians, arts, culture and sport coaches play a critical role in helping our young people make their career and lifestyle choices. Please continue the good work you do and use the resources we are making available to assist the process of making good economic choices for learning. Do not discourage the choice of artisan qualifications such as boiler makers, electricians, plumbers, riggers, fitters and tanners and so forth. Remember, as important members of the community, the stereotype you hold may have a negative effect on young people's meaningful choices. Even in the workplace, we have been working along with industry to ensure that we take down myths and barriers and allow young people to experience workplaces in practical terms. I want to congratulate you for taking a step in the right direction and for the interest you are showing in your own future. We need more young people like you to build our country and make South Africa an even greater country to live in. Most importantly, and needing your attention when you make your career choices, is that we as the Department of Higher Education and Training have declared 2013 as the Year of the Artisan. We'll soon be launching a rollout campaign for the Decade of the Artisan in 2014. Make sure that you convince more of your peers to participate in career guidance activities so that they are not left out in the dark. Imagine a world where youth come together to share their dreams and then revisit these and share success stories on their way to achieving their dreams. I can see that movement starting now, and I'm honored to bear witness to it in my lifetime. We look forward to welcoming many bright and ambitious young people, school leavers, as well as college and university graduates into the exciting and constantly changing world of manufacturing and engineering. Please enjoy this video and make the best of the information so that you choose the most appropriate way for you to learn and make a living.
A career in the manufacturing and engineering sectors offers a wide range of exciting opportunities to motivated young people who would like to embark on a technical career. In a rapidly changing world, new jobs emerge as technology changes, with companies constantly developing new technologies and driving innovation. The international spotlight is focused on careers in science, engineering and technology, as these technical skills are in short supply throughout the world. The manufacturing and engineering sector in South Africa plays a key role in the national economy, and trained production workers, artisans, technicians and engineers are always in high demand. Some important requirements for entry to technical careers include an aptitude for mathematics and science, an interest in technical matters and problem solving, as well as the desire to study or train further within the modern national qualifications framework for lifelong learning. You can choose to further your career through a number of different education and training institutions like colleges, universities of technology or Mesita companies for apprenticeships or learnerships. Those of you who are more practical in nature should consider some of the following learning pathways. One option is to seek to be taken in by a company as an apprentice to train and qualify as an artisan in a specific trade. FET colleges also offer a range of courses that youth may partake in. Another common pathway is through a university of technology or university where young people can study over a 3-year period towards a national diploma in engineering. Sector Education and Training Authorities or SETAs play an important role in supporting skills development and have a big focus on learning in the workplace. Mesita covers the metal and engineering, auto manufacturing, motor retail and component manufacturing, new tire manufacturing and plastics manufacturing industries. Mesita collects levies from companies within these 5 subsectors and then use these funds to fund companies who recruit and train learners. Internship opportunities and practical workplace experience also exists for learners in the Mesita sector. There are many exciting career opportunities available in the subsectors covering 42 trades. At the Mesita, we believe that career guidance is imperative in the investment of the future of the individual. Young people need to make informed choices and be sure that they are making the best career choice in a field that best suits them. Prospective candidates and opportunity seekers are encouraged to upload their information online on the Department of Labor website, as employers and companies may recruit you from the Employment Services for South Africa database. The various categories of learning interventions in the Mesita that you can choose from are skills programs, learnerships or apprenticeships. A skills program is an occupationally based learning program which is offered by an accredited provider. On completion of these short duration programs, credits will be awarded towards an NQF registered qualification. A learnership is a structured learning process for gaining theoretical knowledge through an accredited training provider and practical skills in the workplace leading to a qualification registered on the NQF. A learnership usually runs for a period of 12 months and is outcomes-based, not time-based, and allows for recognition of prior learning. An apprenticeship is a well-known technical training system, including practical and theoretical components offered in listed trades where you will achieve artisan status. Apprenticeships usually run over a 3 to 4 year training period. Then, on completion of a national trade test, you will acquire the status of artisan, which is highly valued by industry internationally. We are going to take a look at the career opportunities in the 5 subsectors of engineering and manufacturing. There are many career choices available. You may wish to become a production worker, artisan, technician, or an engineer. Together, these different people and role players make up an engineering or manufacturing team. Artisans make up the bulk of the team who perform most of the practical work in this industry. You can qualify as an artisan by following the learnership or apprenticeship route and then successfully completing a trade test at a registered trade test center. The South African automotive industry has a global link for the manufacture and export of vehicles. Many of the major multinational firms use South Africa to assemble vehicles for both the local and international markets. Automotive manufacturing is the third largest contributor to South Africa's economy, making it a crucial sector that also provides employment for over 28,000 people. It is made up of 4 segments, namely cars, light vehicles, medium commercial vehicles, and trucks and buses. In addition to the 7 motor manufacturers, the industry includes a number of importers, distributors, and truck manufacturers. Various occupations within the automotive manufacturing field are in high demand. Critical shortages are currently being experienced in a large number of careers within the automobile manufacturing sector, and many potential career pathways are available to you. Motor retail and components manufacturing subsector. The South African retail motor and components industry is predominantly a motor sales and service repair economic subsector. The industry is made up of a range of services including new and used vehicle sales, manufacture and sales of motor components, and the maintenance and repair of motor vehicles. The motor components manufacturing industry in South Africa alone employs over 65,000 people and produces a vast range of passenger and commercial vehicle parts for both local and export markets. The motor retail industry can be subdivided into 2 basic categories: the technical and non-technical. The technical stream relates to the manufacturing of the vehicle parts and accessories and to the repair and maintenance of vehicles. The non-technical sphere involves the sales or management of a motor retail business. South Africa is experiencing a critical skills shortage on the technical side of the motor retail and components manufacturing subsector. A motor mechanic or a fitter and turner are 2 examples of possible technical careers which young people could enter into. The job of a motor mechanic is to maintain and repair motorized vehicles such as cars, trucks, motorbikes, and buses. Vehicles are assessed by the mechanic for problems and repaired upon consent from the vehicle owner. The most common problems addressed by mechanics are wheel alignment, oil leaks, worn shock absorbers, and adjustments to electric components such as indicators, lights, and wipers. To pursue a career as a fitter and turner, you need to be mechanically minded and enjoy working with your hands. A fitter and turner is an artisan whose job entails making and assembling parts which are used in the manufacturing of machines. These machines are used to make different kinds of products. The non-technical side covers career paths in sales and management positions. Salespeople in the industry can complete a range of post-matric sales and marketing qualifications or relevant learnership. Supervisory management and departmental head positions require a national diploma in business management. Middle management posts require a national advanced diploma in business management or a postgraduate degree. Metal and engineering subsector. The metal and engineering subsector plays an extremely important role in almost all primary and manufacturing sectors by providing and servicing capital equipment, whilst the manufacturing of transport equipment ensures efficient distribution of goods. The value chain of the sector is complex given that it obtains inputs from upstream metal producers as well as the electrical and electronic sector and produces outputs for downstream, as well as for the machinery and equipment sector itself. Globally, the sector is becoming increasingly linked with the electronic sector, and is placing more emphasis on innovation and globalization of production. The key occupational groups are metallurgists, materials engineers, mechanical engineers, electricians, toolmakers, fitter and turners, welders, mechanists, fettlers, metrologists, shop floor operators and machine operators. Achieving good grades in physical science and mathematics would unlock a world of potential career opportunities within engineering for you. The various learning pathways available could see you choosing to become an artisan after either completing an N2 with 2.5 years practical or an NCV Level 4 with 2.5 years practical experience. Some might decide to study further and complete a 4-year Bachelor in Engineering Mechatronics with 3 years practical, finally qualifying as an engineer. Other pathways will see you becoming a full-time civil, mechanical, electrical or mechanical engineer. The choice is entirely yours. Many metal and engineering occupations are in high demand and include boiler makers, electricians, fitters and turners, millwrights, welders, tool, jig and die makers. Plastics subsector. The plastics industry in South Africa is very large and extremely diverse. It supplies products to almost every other sector of the economy. A polymer is a natural or synthetic compound that has large molecules made up of many relatively simple repeated units. The converting sector manufactures plastic products by extruding or molding plastic raw material. Plastic products include a wide range of products such as sheet pipe furniture, automotive components, medical and industrial products. A large number of high-demand jobs in the plastic subsector include technical engineers, technicians, operators and polymer technologists. Polymer technologists may be based in offices, laboratories or manufacturing environments and are engaged in the manufacture of products from polymers. They design products to ensure maximum strength and aesthetic shape. Decisions need to be made about which material to use and which processing method will be suitable to produce the product. The processing method that may be used include extrusion, resin infusion molding, blow molding and rotational molding. To become a polymer technologist, you need to know about the properties, characteristics and processing behavior of materials and understand the different manufacturing processes and construction methods. A keen interest in science, design and technology and being able to find practical and innovative solutions to problems is essential. New tire manufacturing subsector. Tire manufacturers supply products to various areas of the South African economy, including the automotive, training, construction and materials handling sectors. The manufacturers supply products both to original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, and the replacement market across a broad spectrum of products, from high-performance passenger car tires to ultra-large earth-moving and mining equipment and vehicles. The new tire manufacturing industry offers many career opportunities across both technical and non-technical fields. There is a short supply of engineers, rubber technologists, artisans, tire component and assembly workers, composites and rubber factory workers, production and operations managers. We look forward to welcoming many bright and ambitious young people, school leavers as well as college and university graduates into the exciting and constantly changing world of manufacturing and engineering.
For young people who are ready to make a career choice, welcome to the world of the manufacturing and engineering services sector. A career in this particular sector provide you with an opportunity to be part of innovation, transformation, and the rapidly changing world. If you are ready to become an artisan, a technician, a technologist, or an engineer, the emerging world within the manufacturing, engineering, services sector is the world for you. We look forward to welcoming all South Africans with the ability, the ambition, and the drive to become an artisan, to become an engineer, to become a technician. South Africa needs you. You are going to make the difference. You are going to build the new South Africa. You are going to develop the economy of South Africa. It is cool to be an engineer. It is cool to be a technician. It is cool to be an artisan. It's hip to be squared.